Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, this session, for this session, I also want to sing some more songs uh, to display the meaning of this session, right? Because you all might be wondering why I have to sing, but there is a reason behind it, and which I will reveal it later, if not this session, in the other sessions, okay? So just listen to the song, and the songs which I'm going to sing are only in Tamil songs, and maybe I will sing one English song as well. Okay, it is about King David. The song is about King David because the King David, he always um, worshipped God by dancing, by clapping hands, right? And there's a reason behind it, and the Israelites, they never even asked which God King David was worshipping. Okay, they just like that, blindest, closing their eyes, they were worshipping the true God of true Christianity, worshipped by King David alone. And so that is why in this particular session of Civil Justice Sign Off, I am going to sing two songs. One song in Tamil talks about that King David, and another one is another Sunday school English. It's also a song about King David only. Okay, so that way we all can be on the same page, and I'll be revealing more, unlocking the more puzzles down the road. Just be patient, okay? So I will sing this song. தாவீதை போல நரரமாடி அப்பாவை ஸ்தோத்தரிப்பேன் ஏசப்பா ஸ்தோத்திரம் ஏசப்பா ஸ்தோத்திரம் என்ன வந்தாலும் எது நடந்தாலும் அப்பாவை ஸ்தோத்தரிப்பேன் என்ன வந்தாலும் எது நடந்தாலும் அப்பாவை ஸ்தோத்தரிப்பேன் ஈசப்பா ஸ்தோத்திரம் ஈசப்பா ஸ்தோத்திரம் கைத்தாளத்தோடும் மத்தாளத்தோடும் அப்பாவை ஸ்தோத்தரிப்பேன் கைத்தாளத்தோடும் மத்தாளத்தோடும் அப்பாவை ஸ்தோத்தரிப்பேன் ஈசப்பா ஸ்தோத்திரம் ஈசப்பா ஸ்தோத்திரம் பரிசுத்த இரத்தத்தாலே பாவங்கள் கழுவிய அப்பாவை ஸ்தோத்தரிப்பேன் பரிசுத்த இரத்தத்தாலே பாவங்கள் கழுவிய அப்பாவை ஸ்தோத்தரிப்பேன் ஈசப்பா ஸ்தோத்திரம் ஈசப்பா ஸ்தோத்திரம் ஆவியினாலே அபிஷேகம் செய்த அப்பாவை ஸ்தோத்தரிப்பேன் ஆவியினாலே அபிஷேகம் செய்த அப்பாவை ஸ்தோத்தரிப்பேன் ஈசப்பா ஸ்தோத்திரம் ஈசப்பா ஸ்தோத்திரம் கிறிஸ்தவுக்குள்ளாய் முன்கூறித்தாரே அப்பாவை ஸ்தோத்தரிப்பேன் கிறிஸ்தவுக்குள்ளாய் முன்கூறித்தாரே அப்பாவை ஸ்தோத்தரிப்பேன் ஈசப்பா ஸ்தோத்திரம் ஈசப்பா ஸ்தோத்திரம். Thank you all, and I will keep singing more songs, okay? I hope you all enjoyed it, and yes, it is in the Tamil song, and I will sing an English song as well. And this song is also about King David, how worldwide Israelites, they just followed whatever God, true God, King David followed. And they never bothered to ask King David, "Oh, King David, which God you are worshipping like that?" They, with blindest faith, closing their eyes, they just worship blindest faith, fanatic love for the true God of true Christianity only, worldwide. Okay, so this it's a Sunday school song. So most probably, whoever went to Sunday schools, they are aware of the song. It's a very common song. Okay, and if you all want to sing along when I'm singing, when you're listening, you all can sing along as well. Okay. When the Spirit of the Lord comes upon my heart, I will dance like David danced. All nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans. Yes, this particular um, uh, this particular one is, I'm going to read out the song lyrics. Okay, it is because I don't know, I have to learn the tune, right? So that is why instead of working on to sing because there's no time, I'm going to read out the lyrics. And it is an Islam non-Christian song, and it is written in Tamil. Okay, so I will read it out in Tamil, and I hope there are Islam Tamils worldwide who are aware of this song, which is a very common song among the Islam Tamils population. And I want to sing for them just to make sure that non-Christians are not left out. And yes, and the non-Christians must also be aware that I'm Christian, true Christian, right? So in general, 99.9% of the true Christians, they will never even bother to sing any non-Christian songs. But then I am providing public awareness and birthrights and education process. Yes, so I'm not ashamed of singing non-Christian songs for educational and healthy humane standards process. Okay, and it is okay if Christians marks me. I am, because I am doing it for the healthy wellness human standards alone. Okay, yes, and this song, the lyrics which I'm going to read it out, it's for all the Islam Tamils worldwide population. இறைவனிடம் கையேந்துங்கள், அவன் இல்லை என்று சொல்லுவதில்லை. பொறுமையுடன் கேட்டு பாருங்கள், அவன் பொக்கிஷத்தை மூடுவதில்லை. இறைவனிடம் கையேந்துங்கள், அவன் இல்லை என்று சொல்லுவதில்லை. இல்லை என்று சொன்னால் இல்லை என்று சொல்லும் மனம் இல்லாதவன், ஈடு இணை இல்லாத கருணை உள்ளவன், இன்னல் பட்டு எழும் குரலை கேட்கின்றவன், எண்ணங்களை இதயங்களை பார்க்கின்றவன். இறைவனிடம் கையேந்துங்கள், அவன் இல்லை என்று சொல்லுவதில்லை. ஆசையுடன் கேட்பவர்களுக்கு அள்ளி தருபவன், அல்லல் துன்பம் துயரங்களை கிள்ளி ஏறியபவன், பாசத்தோடு யாவரையும் பார்க்கின்றவன், பாவங்களை பார்வையினால் மாய்க்கின்றவன். அல்லல்படும் மாந்தர்களே அயராதீருங்கள், அல்லாவின் பேரருளை நம்பி நில்லுங்கள். அவனிடத்தில் குறை அனைத்தையும் சொல்லி காட்டுங்கள். அன்பு நோக்கு தருகவென்று அழுது கேளுங்கள். இறைவனிடம் கையேந்துங்கள், அவன் இல்லை என்று சொல்லுவதில்லை. So this song tells that you ask anything to God, and with God everything is possible. So that's what this whole entire song, even though it is written in Tamil, this is what it tells in the whole meaning of the song as a whole. Okay, so I hope you all enjoyed this reading, which I was not singing, but I've just read that lyrics loudest, and it is all for the entire My Blood Drops Islam population who talks Tamils worldwide. Okay, thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye now. Say all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans. This song is about, it is a Hindu song, right? So that means it's another non-Christian song. And yes, I want to convey that I, being a true Christian, 99.9% of the true Christian population, they will not bother to sing any of the non-Christian songs. Okay, and I am singing because I know the truth, and I'm also providing only for healthy human wellness standards process alone, right? I'm providing public health awareness and also for birth rights process. So this song, it is, though people might be wondering, it is a polytheism, right? 10,000, approximately 10,000 avatars of Hindu gods, but then the just be aware on the highest level, all those 10,000 avatars of the Hindu gods that's been worshipped by the Hinduism population worldwide is just one god. Okay, so that means I can sing different songs addressing to different Hindu gods, but then I just wanted to sing one song like this and one more maybe, and that means it addresses to all the um, gods, right? So I hope we are all on the same page on that. And um, it is in an English translation, so I think I know the tunes. That is how I can sing. Maybe I will sing one paragraph or something like that. Okay, to keep it short. Garuda Gamana Tava Chamana Kamala Miha Manasila Satumavanityam Manasila Satumavanityam Mama Tabana Gurudeva Mama Pabana Gurudeva Jalajanayada Vidhi Namuchi Haranamuki Vibhuda Vibhuda Parapadma Vibhuda Vibhuda Parapadma Mama Tabana Gurudeva Mama Pavanava Gurudeva. This song is about one of the Hindu god, Lord Muruga, and this is also in a Tamil lyrics song, so I'll be singing in Tamil only. And since I know the tune, I think I will sing the whole song, okay? And I hope this is all for the entire Hinduism population worldwide. And yes, if I'm a little bit out of tune here and there, please be patient on that part, okay? வேலுண்டு வினையில்லை மயிலுண்டு பயமில்லை குகனுண்டு குறைவில்லை மனமே கந்தனுண்டு கவலை இல்லை மனமே கந்தனுண்டு கவலை இல்லை மனமே நீலகண்டன் நெற்றி கண்ணில் நெருப்பு வடிவாக தோன்றி நிருதர் குலத்தை அழித்த நிர்மலன் முருகன் நிருதர் குலத்தை அழித்த நிர்மலன் வேலவனே என்று பாடி வேண்டிடும் அடியவர்க்கு வேலவனே என்று பாடி வேண்டிடும் அடியவர்க்கு வேண்டும் வரம் தந்திடுவான் பாருமே முருகா வேண்டும் வரம் தந்திடுவான் பாருமே நெற்றியிலே நீரடிந்து நெறியாக உன்னை நினைந்து பற்றினேன் உள்ளமதில் உன்னடி முருகா பற்றினேன் உள்ளமதில் உன்னடி ஓயாது ஒளியாது நாமம் சொல்பவர்க்கு ஓயாது ஒழியாது நாமம் சொல்பவர்க்கு உயர்கதிதான் தந்திடுவாய் முருகா உயர்கதிதான் தந்திடுவாய் முருகா விழிகள் ஒரு 12 உடையவனே என்று சொல்லி விழிகளிலே நீ பெருகி நின்றேன் முருகா விழிகளிலே நீ பெருகி நின்றேன் வேலுண்டு வினையில்லை மயிலுண்டு பயமில்லை உகனுண்டு குறைவில்லை மனமே கந்தனுண்டு கவலை இல்லை மனமே. Thank you all for your time. This means you will get the answers later on, not now. Okay, so yes, that's why you all might be wondering why I'm asking for $1,000 billion for medical compensation. So that says it all, right? So, so that is pretty much it. And other than that, did I miss anything? I don't think so. And yes, if at all the Christian population becomes very angry at me for me singing the non-Christian songs, that is okay, because I, as a true civil doctor, I'm aware of the emotional disturbances that can be created among the Christians. But it's okay, because I'm providing a public health services, and also I'm providing the birthright education, and it's only for wisdom education I'm using it. So that is pretty much it from my end. Okay, and with that said, the next recording will be the civil justice sign off for this particular Lord Muruga statue, which is located in Malaysia and Brunei. So Malaysia and Brunei are the keywords, meaning it has its own puzzle behind it. Okay, and that means voices will be aware and must be happiest being aware. Oh, this lady is super wisest, right? And yes, Malaysia is the only one location having Sharia law, and United States of America have been breaking their heads on how to help those population who are tortured with enforcement of Sharia law. And yes, the civil justice will be served accordingly later on. Just be patient. Okay, and I already educated that I will provide the civil justice for entire Islam population as well, right? So please provide the blindest faith in me. Okay, and yes, keep working on who am I, right? That's a fun test provided to you all. Okay, so and I will continue with the next recording, the video recording, I mean the voice recording will be for the civil justice sign off, which I'll be reading it out. Okay, so I hope you are all on the same page. Okay, and that is all. Thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye now. Dear USA, all nations, and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I hope we are all on the same page on this very, very crucial, very important civil justice sign off that I'm providing for myself, and it is a multitasking. And on one side, I'm also displaying all the scandals of absolute monarchs to the USA government. That way, I could also earn a salary with that finance aid that can be given by the USA government, right? So let me read this civil justice sign off. For I, Vedapriya Prose, proved scandal of absolute monarchs and proved Pope Francis's Roman Empire, King Herod, as of February 2021. Any salary as in tax-free billions of dollars USA government can provide effective immediate using direct deposit to my bank account to I am that I am Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Israelite tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, true owner of all nations worldwide, can help me. So scandal phases of Republica Europe, nations worldwide. So Republica, Lord Muruga statue, Batu Caves in Asia landmass, and there are neighboring nations like Hong Kong, China, Japan, Russia, Korea, Tibet, Nepal, Vietnam, Philippines, Laos, Cambodia, Taiwan, Thailand, Malaysia, Brunei, Singapore, Australia, New Zealand, Sri Lanka, Indonesia, Bali, etc. They never educated. They are all absolute Republican nations, okay? And they never educated. USA Republican government can never enforce poverty, and USA can never create robocall poverty mandate to I, Vedapriya Prose, a true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, and a true civil supreme civil judge, and it is fatal negligence of Lord Muruga statue in Batu Caves, Malaysia, and I also included Brunei. Okay, that means all the other nations that it all, Malaysia, Brunei, they all comes under that umbrella of that entire Asia locations. Okay, Asian nation locations. Okay. And to be fatal negligence, either USA government should say knows who is Republica Lord Muruga statue, Batu Caves, Malaysia, where is Malaysia and Brunei, or either USA government should say don't know who is Republica Lord Muruga statue Batu Caves Malaysia Brunei. So what is the error? The error is Lord Muruga's statue Batu Caves in Malaysia. It created the robocall poverty mandate, and it is a deadliest crime as of February 2021. Okay, and it comes under the domestic violence category, that is breach of duty, intentional infliction of emotional distress, then causation and injury, then battery and types, then assault and types, and false imprisonment types, and trespass to land and trespass to chattel. Now, can you all see that how that Hawaii, it is Huwei, I think Hawaii. That cellular also provided lot of that unwanted robocall processing, right? So now you are all aware how I unlocked all the puzzles, and all the puzzles are solved at the same time. It is also a multitasking, right? So you all might be wondering why on the earth I'm just including all these nations, the Asian nations, but it's all for a reason, because the Hawaii, the Chinese giant telecommunication carrier like Verizon, AT&T in USA, it is created by London. It is created by Queen Elizabeth II only. So that's how it got. That is the confirmation that how robocall itself was created by Queen Elizabeth II, and why USA in turn wanted to provide that. Okay, so that's a proof here. Then I, Vedapriya Pro se, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, own the text for ongoing civil justice sign off for. So Republica Rod Muruga statue, Batu Caves, Malaysia, Brunei, with fatal negligence failed to educate. USA cannot create robocall poverty mandate, and by default created Republica USA robocall poverty mandate. To I, Vedapriya Pro se, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, and Republica government, GOP leader Mitch McConnell, President Trump, Supreme Court Judge Brett Kavanaugh in October 2018 enforced poverty mandate to I, Vedapriya Pro se abruptly on October 2018, and Republican government of United States of America took away $4,500 on October 2018 abruptly, and enforced finance debt of $10,210.38 since October 2018, October 2019, October 2020, and as of today, February 6, 2021 and beyond. And finance disability was also enforced to me. And it is a crime for United States of America to enforce poverty by creating the robocall poverty mandate. And that is why the civil justice has to be served without any delay. And finance medical compensation must be paid for the damages done. So it is crime for Republica Lord Muruga statue Batu Caves, Malaysia, Brunei, when ruling USA never educated USA should never provide enforced poverty to Vedapriya Pro se, I Vedapriya Pro se. So civil justices, I Vedapriya Pro se want Citibank CEO of USA to pay off my debt in full, that is $10,210.38 in full, and sign off tax-free $4,500 direct deposit to my bank account, and Lord Muruga statue, Batu Caves, and each neighboring nation to Malaysia, Brunei, etc., as in China, Russia, Japan, Korea, Laos, Vietnam, Sri Lanka, they all must pay, Australia, New Zealand, right? And they all must pay sign off tax-free $1,000 billion and direct deposit to my bank account. Oh, I forgot that Myanmar, right? Burma. So, and direct deposit to my bank account, and at fault and found guilty Holy Highness, God of USA, Queen Elizabeth II, and Pope Francis, and Republican government of USA will provide the needful, help accordingly to be on the same page. And for I, Vedapriya Pro se, displayed the scandal of absolute monarchs to USA government. I, Vedapriya Pro se, want USA to rename the Lord Ripon building in Tamil Nadu, India, after my name as Vedapriya as a civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya, proceed to become the Vatican leader, now is civil justice served. And Pope Francis resigns abruptly, now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya, proceed become Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations, now is civil justice served. And I, where the Priya Prose becomes Supreme Chief Family Law Judge for all nations and now is civil justice served. And I, where the Priya Prose, to become the Global Poverty Relief Medical Director Chief for all nations to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organization, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children Families, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports, Exports, then military, etc. in all nations across the globe is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to be the ambassador for all nations starting with India, and I, Vedapriya, must get dual citizenship of US and India now is civil justice served. And I hope we are all on the same page on this particular civil justice sign-off. And yes, it is a multitasking, is a wisdom, and yes, I sure will get the civil justice for entire population as well. Okay, USA must sign off this job for me, and I have to sign off the job offer and start doing the job. Right, I have to start the job, and then I must get the rightful salary. And for all the errors I'm displaying, all the government errors and all the scandals of absolute monarchs, and yes, I sure will get the civil justice accordingly for every worldwide across the globe for all nations and entire human kingdom. Thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye for now.